Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video for you guys. So, since school is about to start, I'm going to show you how I used to do my makeup routine when I was in school, way back in college. I started doing my makeup when I was in college. I think I was on my second year in college when I did my makeup. Like, I was getting hooked to makeup back then, and I started doing it every day, and gradually I'm improving and improving. So yeah, this is the makeup look that I wanted to show you guys. So if you want to know how I did this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys! So when I was in college, I started putting on makeup. I got interested in makeup, and then slowly but surely I got hooked to makeup. So most of the products that I'll be using will be drugstore makeup products, na very affordable for students. But these products are not the ones that I use, because most of them I forgot what I was using. But pretty sure I'm using this one. Like mostly every day I was using this product. Like this was my go-to makeup base every day when I was in school. Okay, so to start with the fresh and moisturized face. And then next, this one, before I remember I was not using this before because my skin when I was younger was better. But now I think I'll need to use primer for my face. So I'm using this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is very affordable. I don't know how much is this, but I think it's around 200 something. And then I'm pretty sure this is what I've been using like almost every day. This is the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One BB Cream in Fresh. They also have another shade. I think it's beige, but it's too orange for me. So I was using this when I was in college. And how I used to do it is, I don't know why, but it seems empty. But there's a lot of products inside. I used to do it in sections like this, and I don't have a blending sponge, so I was using my fingers, but now I can afford a blending sponge, so we will use a blending sponge. But when I was in college, I was not using a blending sponge. I was just using my fingers to spread it all over my face, and I was literally like making dots like this around my face. Yan. Ganyan. And since it's BB cream, very easy to even out on your face and to spread. When I was in college, I remember I was not using concealer. So it's optional if you need concealer, but now I think I need concealer. So I will be using my forever favorite Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage concealer in the shade Honey. Okay, next, this is Also, a to-go-to product, Johnson's Baby Powder. Any color will do kasi isa lang naman yung color niyan. And I used to just put this all over my face, but now since may brush na ako, I'll be using a brush. And I'll put it all over my face, like literally all over my face. Okay, next, I always do my brows, and before, I remember that I was using a pencil to do my brows, or a brown eyeshadow, or actually gray eyeshadow. I was using gray eyeshadow, and I was using an angled brush to do my brows. So for today, I'm going to use pencil for my brows. So this is the Everbilena Pro Eyeliner, waterproof, and chocolate. So this is how I used to do my brows. I have to zoom you. And as I do my eyebrows, so I will outline my brows like this. And fill it up. Then I'll use a spoolie. And that's how I do my brows when I was in college. And then what I used to do is I use dark eyeshadow, dark brown. I'm going to use a dark brown eyeshadow and then just fill my brows. Take a very fluffy brush, dip it into any brown or any color of eyeshadow. So we'll be using this. And then I'll just put this on my crease. And then I'll use this other color. And then I'll concentrate on my crease. And on the outer corners of my eyes. And next, this color. Use my fingers and then just put it there in the corners of my eyes. I always love to contour. Cosmetics Aura Contour. young, I loved to contour my face. But I remember I was using LOL Cosmetics. I'll try to find a photo of that and flash it on the screen, whatever I was using when I was in college. Syempre, we're on a budget. I didn't have money to buy makeup, so I was buying the cheapest that I can find in the mall. My skin was not that sensitive, so I'm fine to use anything as long as it's not expired. Next, for blush. Any blush on will do. I don't know if I was using blush on, but now I'm using blush on, and I'm using again my Essence Cosmetics. Yeah, I already had fans. Beach me up. And for my lips, what do I use for my lips? I don't know, but I really don't remember. Maybe I was just using lip tint or cheek tints. But I'm going to be using this natural looking lipstick, since most of the lipsticks that are available in the market are peachy lipsticks. So I'll just use this. Maybe I was just using lip tints. And lip tints back then were not used on your cheeks because they were the liquid types. And yeah, let's not forget the eyeliner. I'm always the Miss Eyeliner. When I was in college, I never go out without my brows and my eyeliner. I was using the Essence Tattoo eyeliner in black before, but since I don't have that, I'll just use this. Yeah, like that. I used to do that when I was in college. Like literally like that. I wanted a wing eyeliner every day. So that completes this look. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my video tutorial today. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see each other on my next video. Bye!